YT homies, it's your girl Alethea coming back for another video. And in this video, I just wanted to bring to you this Apple Watch is just dinging. But anyway, I haven't had it on for a couple of days. What's up? Let's try this again. What's up, my YT homies? It's your girl Alethea coming back for another video. And in this video, I am going to be sharing with you this quick beat that I did for the holidays. So I do hope you will stick around and watch this look. But in the meantime, let me go ahead and give my shout out this time. This shout out goes to Beautifully Flawed. And she said in my last video, yes ma'am, I agree, Ultra Rewards program is 10 times better than Sephora, and I have to try those body scrubs. By the way, I am loving that I look great haul video. So girl, if you haven't tried those body scrubs, go out there and get those body scrubs. And thank you so much for watching and commenting on my video. And like I said, if you're interested in seeing how I create this look, then please, you know what. All right, you guys, so we're about to do this quick little glam, and I'm gonna call it Holiday Glam, even though my holiday spirit is not 100% there. But this Holiday Glam, I am going to start off by priming my eyes with this MAC paint pot, and the color that I have is soft ochre. Rudolph, how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how ranges fly so high? Yeah. And so for this quick look, we're going to use the Pat McGrath. Which one is this? The Pat McGrath Mothership 6. So for this one, we're going to use the Pat McGrath Mothership 6. We're going to go in and start with this color. So high, Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Alright, so what I'm going to do next for my brow bone is I'm taking my powder. If you've been on my If you've been on my channel for a while, then you know I just take my powder and I just go around my brow bone if I'm not highlighting, and I doubt if I'm going to highlight. Y'all, I need to wax my eyebrows, but I think I covered them up pretty good with the concealer. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to go back in with this brush. I'm not going to put anything else on it, and I'm just going to go around there just like this. And then I'm going to go in with the same brush in my outer corner with this color. Y'all, Pat doesn't have colors on these things, y'all know that. I'm just going to focus this right here in the outer edge. Not even gonna go up into the crease because I just want this color focused right here. I actually should have used a smaller brush for this, but we're gonna make it do. And I'm just picking up a small amount of color each time I go, just tapping it, just getting that small amount of color. How you do that? Alright, so now I'm going to take this small brush and I'm going to take this darkest color right here in the edge. I'm just going to put this on my outer V. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. Not going up too high, I just want to stay right here in this area. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. Making sure it's down on my lash line. Used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you. So now it's time once again to go back with that crease color and just make sure it's all blended here. Now what I'm going to do is take this little doohickey right here, and I'm going to take this champagne-y type color right here. And I'm going to put this all over the lid. Rudolph, how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph. think I have that the way I want. So I'm gonna take, all right, sudden moves, this thing messes up. So I think I have it the way I want. So I'm just gonna take this brush and put any more product on it. I'm just gonna try to blend those two together.
Tell me how you do that. Rudolph, I know how you.
Because this brush is so slim, I'm gonna clean it off. And then I'm gonna take that original dark red looking color right here. I'm just gonna take this. I'm just gonna kind of go here.
So high, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky.
And then just to bring it all together once again in the crease. Let's go back. Make sure we're straight. And bam. And that's it for the eyes right now. So, all right, you guys. So I'm done with the face. Let's finish up the eyes. I'm gonna take this color right here and this one right here. No. This one and this one on my bottom lid. I'm just gonna try to bring that up to that one to kind of like make it seamless together. And then for my lashes, the little Ardell, I think they're Ardell, I don't know. Same lashes on that I've worn in the last few videos. Alright, so I got that on. Y'all look at my nail. I brought the nail yesterday. Didn't even know I had broken it. I'm going to line my lips with my ColourPop BFF3, I think it is.
Tell me how you do that. Oh, I know how you do that.
And I actually want to put on a red lippy, so I don't know. Let's see what this one is. This is a ColourPop by some, I don't know, whatever. It was with that Becca G collection, I think.
Never let poor Rudolph join the ring.
I haven't worn red on my lips in so long. So now I'm just going to take which mascara? The Pat McGrath Dark Star, I think that's what this is. Yeah, Dark Star. And I'm gonna put some at the top. Just do like that to kind of fuse my lashes with the falsies. And that's pretty much it. And so let's do hair, put on clothes, and I'll be back to show you guys the final. All right, ladies, so I am back with the finished look. And like I said, this look is quick and easy, so I do hope you guys will try this look. If you do try this look and you upload pictures or anything like that, please do tag me. I would definitely appreciate it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video with this quick Christmas beat. Well, not necessarily Christmas, holiday beat. You can make it for Christmas, you can make it for Thanksgiving. Well, today is Thanksgiving. Whatever day you want to. And so with all that being said, I hope you guys have a happy holiday season. Thank you all to all the new subscribers. I do appreciate it. And for my oldie but goodies, thank you guys so much for coming back. I will say that I thought that today was going to be a really hard day for me because of me not having my mother. But I will say that I truly believe that she is like right here on my shoulders guiding me throughout this day, because I have been all right. Now let me give you the rundown real quick on what I have on. I normally don't do this, but I want to do it today. So of course I have my necklace on that has my mom's name. I have my wedding ring on, and then I have my ring on that has myself and my mom's name and birthstones. And then I have my new Apple Watch 7. I hope you guys checked out that video where I shared my new watch. For Smell Good, I have on the YSL Libre Intense. Y'all, they've been having all these sales that I've been passing up, knowing good well I need some more. This thing is about empty. Y'all, if you haven't tried this, not the one that you give from Sephora, because I have that one as well. It's the Intense. It's the Intense that is going to have people turning their heads 6 and 7 hours later saying, what do you have on? Not that one you get from Sephora. That one is good now. But this one right here, if you get it, trust me, you're gonna love it. And then I just have on this black shirt right here that I got from Angel. And I bought, I can't think of her shop right now, but I'll link her name in the description box. And then I just have on some black leggings and some black boots. So I'm basically blacked out. Y'all, I'm loving this wig. Let me say that too before I go, but I think I'm gonna take it off tomorrow. It's time to retighten my hair. It's been time. So I'm gonna retighten my hair, and I'll probably bring her back out in a couple of weeks. But anyway, with all that being said, let me go because I'm rambling. As I always say, and I've said already, thank you guys so much. So until the next time in the between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.